Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are preparing for IBPS SOIT and we have 60 days and we have to complete our syllabus before 60 days or it is announced the prelims will be conducted on 30th August. So we have 60 days and in 60 days we have to complete the syllabus. So here is the segregation of syllabus in day. So we have to complete the syllabus in 40 days. So here you can see segregation of syllabus. As we know, in prelims, there will be 3 sections: quant, reasoning, English. And CSIT professional subject or syllabus will be in the mains. So we are preparing parallelly so that during mains, we have 45 to 60 days and it will be hard to complete professional subject in the duration of 45 to 60 days. So we are parallelly preparing for CSIT syllabus as well. So here you can see the segregation of 3 sections: quant, reasoning, English. Why am I preparing this to-do list day wise? Because I received a comment, got a comment saying start from day 1. So let's go. We are going to dedicate 40 days for covering the syllabus and we will take 15 mocks for exam. Okay, so we will start from tomorrow and here is the strategy we are following, that we will revise, try to understand the concept, and the next day we will take mock. Okay, so you can see in quant day 1 means we are going to start from tomorrow. So day 1 we will revise number series and in day 2 we will take the mock of number series, and in reasoning we will take mock of puzzle so that we get to know that how much effort we have to put in puzzles and reading comprehension in English. And here is the professional knowledge. CSIT computer network we will start from tomorrow onwards. So we will dedicate 10 days for computer networks and 10 days for algorithm, and then we will dedicate 7 days for operating system and 7 days for DBMS. And there will be alternate days of sectional, or you can say that chapter wise mock. So we will dedicate 6 days for completing the syllabus and 1 day we will take rest, or even you can say even Sundays are skipped for smart test, or you can say that we will take rest, or if you want you can take any sectional mock. So here is the syllabus and we will complete the whole syllabus before 15th August. So we will celebrate 15 August. So our goal is before celebrating 15 August Independence Day, we will complete our syllabus of IBPS SOIT. So 14th August will be the last date of completing the whole syllabus and then we will start take full length mock. Actually before 14th we already completed all the sectional mock, and from 15th August onwards we will start taking full length mock. So here is the strategy, and from tomorrow we will start completing our day task. Means we will start number series, puzzle, reading comprehension and computer network. If you want to prepare with me, so follow to-do list or you can share your own to-do list. And our main focus is on quant and reasoning, because English, we are also focusing on English, but only 25 marks is allotted for English and 50 marks for reasoning and 50 marks for quant. So we will focus more on quant and reasoning. So let me know in the comments if you have different plan or if